Hi my dears. Assalamu alaikum. How are you dears? All are fine? Okay. Today we are going to discuss our new chapter, The Great Bus Chase. What's the name of our chapter? The Great Bus Chase. Bus chase. It's a story of a bus chase. Okay, I know that you know chasing and everything, right? Yes, bus chase. Okay, then all of you listen. Bus chase means for getting that bus, we are chasing. We are chasing. We are following speedily at the back of that bus. Then all of you listen. The Great Bus Chase. All of you open your textbook, page number 80. Between Delhi and Panipat, on old Sher Shah Suri's Grand Trunk Road, is a place called Murtal. I have often stopped here while driving from Delhi to the Himalayas. Then, sharp 4:40 a.m. start from Delhi usually gets me hither by 6 a.m. ready for a cup of morning tea. A few years ago, I was driving to Amritsar where I was planning to meet my parents and take them on a road trip to Kashmir and Ladakh. There had not been much traffic after Murtal and I was enjoying the drive. However, when I reached Garuda, I came across a small traffic jam. I was waiting for the bus to move, trying to decide whether I could pull out from behind the bus. When suddenly there was a frantic rapping on the car's front left window. Startled, I turned to see a man looking at me. I rolled down the window and a man showed his face and said, "Hello, my name is Jolly Junjunwala. Please, bus gone. Chase. Okay, then all of you listen. It's a simple story. All of you listen carefully. Between Delhi and Panipat, on old Sher Grand Trunk Road, is a place called Murtal. Okay. I have often stopped here for driving Delhi to Himalayas. And surely he just describing the place. Okay. And Delhi usually gets me 6 a.m. ready for a cup of morning tea. A few years ago, what he did, all of you listen from this paragraph onwards. A few years ago, I was here the author, narrator. Okay, narrator was driving to, where he was driving to? Yes, driving to Amritsar. Amritsar is a place. Okay, when he decided to drive to Amritsar, where I was planning to meet my parents and take them on a road trip to Kashmir and Ladakh. For why he was going there? Why he was going? Because he wanted to take his parents for a trip to Kashmir and Ladakh. There had not been much traffic after Murtal and I was enjoying the drive. Here the narrator was enjoying the drive because there is no much traffic. It's very calm. However, when I reached Garuda, I came across a small traffic jam. Okay, traffic jam. When he reached Garuda, he got a small traffic jam. I was waiting for the bus to move. I was waiting because I will see that picture, a bus in front of him. He was waiting for the bus to move. Trying to decide whether I could pull out from the behind bus. When suddenly, then thinking about that all things, suddenly a frantic means almost out of control because of great emotion. A frantic rapping means, have you know? Yes, rapping on the car's front left window. Startled, he becomes shocked by hearing that voice. Startled, I turned to see a man looking at me. I rolled down my window glass, and man showed his face and he said, "Hello, my name is Jolly Junjunwala. Please, bus gone. Chase. I asked the man to calm down. Please calm down. Take a few deep breaths and then continue talking." His tale of woe means a report of the bad things that had happened. Something happened to him. Something bad happened to him. Okay, then he tried to describe to narrator. അയാൾക്ക് എന്തോ സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അയാൾ ഗ്ലാസ്സിൽ അടിച്ചിട്ട് ഗ്ലാസ് താഴ്ത്തിട്ട് എന്താണ് മൈ ബസ് ലോസ്റ്റ് ചേസ് എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് പിറകെ കൂടാ അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, അതിന് ചേസ് ചെയ്യാം എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്, ടേക്ക് എ ഡീപ് ബ്രെത്ത്, ഷുവർലി വി ക്യാൻ ചേസ് ആൻഡ് ഗീവ് മീ വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻ. Then his tale of woe means a report of bad things. And he had been on the bus Chandigarh, which had stopped to give his passengers a 15-minute breakfast break. Where you want to go? He had been on the bus. This person, Jolly Junjunwala, had been on a bus to Chandigarh, which had stopped to give its passengers a 15-minute breakfast break. Understand? He had been on a bus to Chandigarh. ചണ്ഡീഗറിലേക്ക് പോകുന്ന ബസ്സിൽ ഇയാൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്, ഡ്രൈവർ ഒരു 15 മിനിറ്റ് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റിന് സമയം കൊടുത്തു. Jolly had gone ahead and ordered breakfast. Jolly went to hotel and ordered breakfast. And when he was halfway through it, ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് പകുതിയായി കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴേക്കും എന്താണ്, the driver had started the bus and driven off 5 minutes before the scheduled time. പറഞ്ഞ സമയത്തിനെക്കാട്ടിലും 5 മിനിറ്റ് മുന്നേ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ഡ്രൈവർ ബസ് എടുത്തിട്ട് പോയി. Another bus had immediately pulled into the parking spot left vacant by the departing bus. We know that, if any bus are departing from that place, surely another bus may come. And another bus, Jolly blissfully unaware, he don't know these all things. After completing his breakfast, he just what he did, blissfully unaware about what had just happened, left to the restaurant and go to the bus. He just get into the bus. What arrived at that time? Okay, he think that is his bus. And to his great surprise, he found a monkey cap clad man sitting on his seat. When he checking his time, he understood that there is another person sitting his seat. And his bags in the overhead luggage shelf too seemed to have changed color and size. Then he just looked its luggage place. Then he understood that his bag also changed. And he quickly realized what happened. Then he understood that what had happened. Okay, then now he said earnestly, "Please, I need your help to catch up with the bus." I quite understood the trouble Jolly was in and had a quick card. I was sure I could catch up with the bus soon. Okay, then Jolly pleaded him, "Please, I want to get my bus and my luggages and everything there." Then here the narrator, Jolly was in and had a cue card and I was sure, the narrator said that, surely we can catch your bus soon. Okay, get in, let's go and catch your bus, I told him cheerily. Okay, no problem, we can catch your bus, get in. 1 minute please, he replied and trotted back into the restaurant. He emerged with the 2 ladies on either side of him. Then he said that, "Oh, just 1 minute please," and he went to the hotel and he came with the 2 ladies. Then he said that, "This is my wife and sister-in-law. This is my wife and this is my sister-in-law." And he explained with a smile. I was taken aback. All this time I had assumed that Jolly was traveling alone. Up to this time he think that he thought Jolly was alone. And then I realized that he hadn't even told them what had happened. Then he know that he hadn't even told them what happened. ഈ 2 ആൾക്കാരോടും എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചത് എന്നുള്ളത് ഇതുവരെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. Okay, a sister-in-law almost then as he told them, sister-in-law almost fainted and the wife began to shouting at Jolly about being so careless. Then the wife said that you are so careless. That's all. Because of your carelessness, we lost our bus like that. He started to shouting. And I felt very sorry for Jolly. I got out and helped the two women into the back seat into the car. Then I asked Jolly to get into the front passenger seat. Okay, he gave space. He just opened the door for the women to get in backside, and he gave space in the front for Jolly. We set off, and Jolly was hanging out of the window. Have you seen that picture? His head is out, right? Head is out. And trying to get a look on the drivers of the bus, we were rapidly overtaking. Overtake ചെയ്യുന്ന ബസ്സിന്റെ ഡ്രൈവേഴ്സിനെ നോക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് അയാളുടെ തലകൾ പുറത്തേക്ക് ഇട്ടേക്കുന്നത്. Okay. When I asked him if he remembered the registration number, then what the narrator asked, do you know the registration number? Then he shook his sadly, no. But the sister-in-law reached into her handbag and pulled out a booking slip. Okay. Then but sister-in-law, what she said, she opened the bag, and what she said, she took the booking slip. On it was the registration number of the bus. Okay, can you follow me? Yes, our narrator acquainted with Jolly Jhunjhunwala who lost his bus, and he gave permission for entering that meet. Surely he will help him. And what happened? They are going to change their bus. Understand? Missaya bus ne pidikkan povana ee nalu per. Okay. We had already wasted a lot of time at Garunta. Okay, they had lost their lot of time and were now in rush hour traffic while driving past Karnal. Then fortunately after this, the road opened up a bit and traffic cleared. Okay, anyway they are moving smoothly. I started driving faster and we were soon doing 120 kilometer per hour and overtaking other cars on the road. They are going very speedily. We know that. Chasing കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? ബസ് ചേസ് അല്ല, കാർ ചേസിങ്ങോ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല നിങ്ങൾ? എന്താണ്, നല്ല സ്പീഡ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ? അതേപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് അവർ മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. And at the time I had applied the brakes hard and swing in and out quickly to maintain our speed. Then there have you seen the picture of that two ladies because of the speed. Okay, there was no noise from the rear seat. I looked the rear view mirror and saw the Jolly's wife and sister-in-law holding on each other and faces white with fear. They are holding together because of the fear, because of the speed, right? Then Jolly on the other hand seemed to be enjoying my driving. In the case of Jolly, is very happy, he is enjoying the drive. Suddenly, Jolly gave a whoop of enjoy and pointed ahead. But a whoop of enjoy means a short, loud shout of enjoy, and pointed ahead. Their bus was 75 meters ahead. They can see their bus. I flashed my lights, okay, lights of the car, and tooted my horn to draw up alongside the bus, trying to tell the driver that he should pull over and stop by the side of the road. For what purpose he is doing like that? Because trying to say the driver to pull over this and just to keep it and pull over and stop by the side of the road. And this pull over is stop ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇയാൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? നമ്മുടെ narrator tooting of the horn and also flashing of the light. But he just increased his speed. But what the driver did? Driver just increased his speed. I began to chasing after the bus. Okay. Then we were getting close to the Shahpur and traffic was quite heavy. I drew up alongside of the bus again until the Jolly's window was alongside of the bus driver. Then when they reached the Shahpur, just endana bus inde just alongside endana Jolly vanna avade etti. That means they are moving together. Okay, രണ്ടാളും ഒരുപോലെ ഇങ്ങനെ മൂവ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Then stop the bus once, he shouted. Jolly said that stop the bus at once, and his face bright red. The bus driver laughed at him and said, what the bus driver said? The bus will only stop in Ambal and catch me if you can. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ബസ്സിന് ഇനി എന്താണ് അംബാലിലെ സ്റ്റോപ്പുള്ളൂ, പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ ക്യാച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, പിടിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. I was just thinking that I would have to force him off the road when he came to the red light. Traffic had stopped and so the bus driver also had to so what happened? Red light le, because of the traffic stop ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് എല്ലാവരും ഹോൾട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട സ്ഥിതിയായി. Jolly was out of the car in a flash. In a flash means very quickly. Jolly was out of the car in a flash, very quickly, and yanked open, pulled open quickly and violently. ദേഷ്യത്തോടെ എന്താണ്, he just opened the door and pulled the man out of the cabin like a sack of potatoes. എന്താണ്, ട്രാഫിക്കാണ്, അദ്ദേഹം എന്താണ് ചെയ്തത്, ഒരു ചാക്ക് പൊട്ടറ്റോ എടുക്കുന്ന പോലെ ഡ്രൈവറെ പിടിച്ച് താഴത്തേക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇട്ടു. Then he gave him 2 tight slaps and started shouting. What he did? 2 slaps and the beat ആണ്. Okay, 2 tight slaps ഇട്ട് ഡ്രൈവറെ താഴേക്ക് ഇട്ട ശേഷം എന്താ ചെയ്തത്, 2 tight slaps. The 2 women were still in the car, terrified. His wife and sister-in-law assuming what they assumers taking something to true without asking for proof. Then they had never need time to recover because they are fainted. If you not fainted, പേടിച്ചു വിറച്ചിരിക്കണം, അവർക്ക് കുറച്ച് സമയം വേണം റിലാക്സ് ചെയ്യാൻ. Okay, then I rushed to help the bus driver and the other passengers of the bus had also rushed out and were now trying to pull Jolly off frightened driver. ആര്, നമ്മൾ നരേറ്റർ ഓടി ബസ് ഡ്രൈവറുടെ അടുത്തേക്ക് ചെന്നു. Then other passengers എന്തോ ഇറങ്ങി വന്നിട്ട് അവർ രണ്ടാളെ പിടിച്ച് മാറ്റി, ജോളി ജുഞ്ചുൽമാലയും ഡ്രൈവറെയും പിടിച്ചു മാറ്റി. Arey putar, if you beat him up, who will drive the bus to Chandigarh? A passenger said. Passenger, what passenger said? ഇങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങൾ അടിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളെ ചാണ്ടിഗറിലേക്ക് ആരാണ് കൊണ്ടുപോവുക? Okay, and trying to make Jolly see the reason, and that worked, and Jolly let go the driver. Okay, അത് വർക്ക് ചെയ്തു, എന്നിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ജോളി ഡ്രൈവറെ വെറുതെ വിട്ടു. And the driver stood straight immediately. Okay, he became straight immediately, but he was still shaking like a leaf. One of the passengers, a kind old lady, pulled out a shiny thermos. Have you seen that? A special container for keeps drink hot and cold. He gave and poured driver some tea. She gave some tea. Okay, to the driver. He was halfway through the tea when Jolly's wife and sister-in-law, now fully recovered, they relaxed. And what they did, arrived on the scene, and all 3 of them got onto the bus, checked their luggage. Jolly Junjunwala checked their luggage and was safe and got back down to Tanby. They came again to him for thanking him. And finally, with all passengers on board this time, the bus started off towards Chandigarh. By checking all the passengers are in, they started their way to journey to Chandigarh. I have driven on that road plenty of times after that. Every time I drive past the signal where we finally got to stop, I can't help thinking of Jolly Junjunwala and his great bus. എവിടെയാണോ ഞങ്ങൾ ആ ബസ് നിർത്തി അടിയുണ്ടാക്കിയത് ആ സ്ഥലത്തും എന്താണ് എപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ ഈ സംഭവത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചായുള്ള ഓർത്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. Where we finally got the bus and bus stop ചെയ്ത ആ സ്ഥലത്ത്. I can't help thinking of Junjunwala and his. I can't help thinking Jolly Junjunwala and his great bus chase. Yes, Rishamsa Mehta's and his OT across the India by Rishamsa Mehta's life experience. Okay, then which other things happened? Great bus chase. Nothing in that, a great bus chase. Okay, but Jolly Junjunwala and his two other persons, that means wife and sister-in-law, lost their bus while eating that breakfast. Then who helped? Our narrator Risha Sam Mehta helped him for getting that bus. Okay, then they get that bus and they are happy. Then I think all of you understood the chapter, right? Okay, then their great bus chase and everything. Surely you want to read the chapter well. All of you want to read the chapter well, then only you can get the question answered fastly. Okay, all of you give me, where was the narrator driving to when he came across the small traffic jam? Give me, where all of you read. Where was the narrator driving to when he came across the small traffic jam? Okay, all of you open textbook and just check it. Yes. He was on the way to Amritsar. All of you write in that answer with that question. Textbook just scribble it. Okay. Narrator was on his way to Amritsar to meet his parents when he came across the traffic jam. Okay. The narrator was on the way to his way to Amritsar. On the way to Amritsar to meet his parents. Don't make any spelling mistakes. Okay. Then second, what had happened to Jolly Junjunwala? All of you write with a pencil in your textbook. His bus had taken off. Endha Jolly Junjunwalakku endha sambhavichadu? Scheduled time inde munne bus eduthu alle, breakfast ne vechu samayathinu munne thanne bus eduthu. His bus had taken off. His bus had taken off, off without him when they had stopped, double P, stopped for breakfast. Okay, then third question, how did they discover the registration number of the bus? From the bag of Jolly Junjunwala's sister-in-law. Right. Okay. Jolly's sister-in-law had the booking slip in her handbag. Okay. Jolly's sister-in-law had the booking slip in her handbag. Fourth one. Why were Jolly's wife and sister-in-law holding to each other, face white with fear? Because of the overspeed of the car. They were frightened because of the overspeed of the car. What did the bus driver do when the car pulled up along the bus? The bus driver laughed. Write down. The bus driver laughed. Laughed. Laughed and said. What he said? Yes. All of you turn your page. This bus will only stop in Amba. Catch me if you can. That's inverted commas. Okay. Catch me if you can. Sixth question. What finally stopped Jolly from beating up the bus driver? The other passengers asked him who would drive. Other passengers asked him. All of you write. Other passengers asked him who would drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive the bus if he ended up hurting the driver. H-U-R-T-I-N-G, hurting the driver. If he ended up hurting the driver. Seventh, did the great bus chase end well? Yes, the great bus chase end well. The Jolly's family were able to get the bus and their luggages and everything. Okay, then we completed our chapter. Read this chapter well and study the question answer also today itself and submit your notebook today itself. Okay, in our group. Okay, my dears. Thank you.